I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
What you running here, man? I got two Sundown X18 V3s on a Salt 8K. I got LCMR 6.5s in the door, BTR1 Super Tweeters, and they're ran off as Sundown SAE 100.4s, two of them in the back.
Man, that sounds pretty good, man. You built the box and everything?
I did.
Design and everything?
No, actually, the box is designed by Drew Jones with BASSWITHKEV.
Yeah, BASSWITHKEV, yeah, I got one that look kind of like that. So I wonder how it look. It looks similar though. Yeah, they look good, man. I know what it hit then. That's what I gotta do know now.
It's pretty flat. I could play down to 15, just shakes the entire vehicle.
Yeah.
But I could play up to 60. But you know, my between 25 and about 50, it's loud.
Yeah. Yeah, so they're real low, get to shaking too much, that one.
That's basically tearing the truck up.
Yeah, you want to keep it intact a little bit. I was looking up here, I said, yeah, he still got it. Appreciate it, man. Where can they find you on social media?
Facebook is Thomas Strickland. On TikTok, it's Muffin Ugly Tahoe or just Muffin Ugly.
I don't know, I feel like I seen you. I follow you on there somewhere. I might do. Appreciate it, brother. Yeah, man, I'm going to leave you with these so you can follow me on there.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it, bro. See you next time.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.